What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to equip, level up or power up, as well as change mounts in Ni no Kuni Cross Worlds. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While in-game, tap on the burger menu on the top right of your screen. From here, select Character and then Mounts. This will only be available after finishing the reputation quest from Great Uncle Autumn at the beginning of the game. In the Mounts tab, you should be able to see your current default mount. When tapping on Power Up below the list of mounts, you can train the mount and increase its defense, health and accuracy stats. Required for this mount are feather teaser training materials. Around 20 of those are given to you for free. Depending on the success rate of your mount's training, it will take more or less training material in order to power up your mount. Tap on Mount in order to dismount your mount. To get new mounts, you will have to obtain the mount first, before you can switch or power it up. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.